Guys, new jobs in public sector departments recently announced. So I have taken these snippets from different newspapers and paste it here. So firstly you have to go to jobs and career hubs and then click on read more. You will see here there are different jobs. So here is the Gojranwala Waste Management Company jobs, Government of Punjab Planning and Development Board. Here there is a need of positions, communication specialist, program officer. Here are the more jobs of stenographer, computer operator, junior clerk, driver, assistant reader, junior clerk, driver. And here are the positions, some positions in Khaja Muhammad Safdar Medical College, Office of District Health Officer Peshawar. There is a need of a technician. There is also the staff required in Ghazali Institute of Medical Sciences. There is a need of English lecturer, anesthesia lecturer, radiology lecturer, etc. Also you can see here the Power Information Technology Company. There is a need of chief executive officer. You can see here qualification, experience, salary package, and more instruction how you can apply. You can apply on official websites of these advertisements. Here is the advertisement of the urban unit. There is a need of spatial urban planning and architecture, and you can read all the positions here. PPSC have recently announced the new posts. You can see PPSC official website to see more details about these posts. Here is the post for engineer spatially, which is in Frontier Works organization. There is also position in Pakistan Post Office, office manager, driver, office boy. You can see here how you can apply in how to apply option. There is another post, Information Technology University careers. Here is the need of director planner and development, director academics, director purchase, director quality enhancement, and other many vacancies are there. Another vacancy is in Water and Sanitary Agency, Wasa, Faisalabad. You can see here the name of different posts like project director, deputy director, assistant director, sub engineer, junior clerk, AutoCAD operator. And here is the last 17 advertisement. These all advertisements are from 25th Feb newspapers. So you can see all the details here on jobs and careerhub.blogspot.com. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.